So, ito na, no? Bubuksan na natin siya, no? Napakingin sa labas. Okay, no? Yan, Landers. Na-intriga ako kasi noon dati, no? Sa Landers, no? Kaya kumuha rin ako ng ating Landers na credit card. Okay, no? Take your membership to the next level, no? Here in Jensen, wala namang Landers, no? But sa Davao meron. Pwede natin magamit ito sa Davao, no? And main purpose ko talaga is magamit ng credit card and transactions, no? Even here in General Santos City, no? Take your membership to the next level, no? For 24/7 assistance, go to your credit card on the app and tap the icon. Never share your card details, OTP, or password with anyone, no? After this one, no? Anong gagawin natin is i-activate natin, no? Sa ating